Okay everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to complete a service request form for any kind of part replacement or printer repair. Once you've made your way over to our website at wanhaousa.com, go ahead and select our Support and Software tab. Then navigate to the bottom right and select Service Form. Simply fill out the form with all of your order information and click Submit. Once you click Submit, you should see this confirmation page. This means that you've successfully submitted your request form. For your convenience, we've included a link in the description below to the service request form page. For more information about Wanhao USA, please browse our website at www.wanhaousa.com or contact us directly at support@wanhaousa.com. Also be sure to follow us on our official Instagram and Facebook for updates on discounts, new products, and giveaways.